excited about this project that I'm about to tell you guys about. If you can see behind me, we have a really nice big TV in our outdoor living space. And I've been dying to put a frame around it or to buy a frame TV, but a frame TV was definitely not in the budget, and so I'm going to DIY a frame to go around this one. The added layer of difficulty to this project is that in order for it to look like it has a frame around it and to really look like a piece of art, I want to recess the TV back into this wall just a little bit, you know, to continue with that idea that it is actually a piece of art. And that adds a little bit of difficulty because there's a storage room behind here, and that means that there would have to be some things switched around inside the space. So we've come up with a compromise, and that is that we're just going to put the actual mount of the TV into the wall, and the TV is going to be almost flush with the wall. Then I'm going to take this wood that you can see behind me. It's got this nice big thick to scale dimension to it, and we're going to build a frame to go around that, so that hopefully when it's all said and done, the goal is for it to look like a nice beautiful piece of art hanging on the wall. And we're going to get started with that process today. Thomas is going to start with the recessed part. I'm going to move on to building the frame, and then we'll show you what it looks like when we're all finished with this project. Since we'd already installed the TV on the wall before we decided to build the frame, we knew right where we needed to cut to recess the mount into the wall. Thomas built a frame into the existing wall with 2x4 studs that would be covered up with the TV once it was hung. Now, instead of the TV standing several inches away from the wall, it will be almost flush, making it visually feel more like a canvas that we can frame into a piece of art. To make the frame, we measured the sides of the TV and cut the pieces with a miter saw. Then, we attached L brackets to the back of each corner and caulked the cut lines. After we attached it to the TV to make sure we had a good fit, I painted the frame. Using a combination of black satin spray paint, gold spray paint, and rub and buff, I created a layered antique gold frame for the digital art in my exterior living room. All right, so we made this frame, put it onto the TV, and I couldn't be happier with it. I'm so happy with all the painting that we did to it. It goes on and looks like it's a piece of art, if you can see it behind me. I'm really happy with how it turned out. We're also going to have a tutorial about how to make it look this antique gold color. It's a process that we did with 3 different layers of paint, and I'm excited to show you guys how that all went down. But for now, I'm super happy with the way that this has turned out, and it saved us hundreds and hundreds of dollars over buying a frame TV or buying a more commercial frame for the TV. So anyway, couldn't be happier. Hope you guys will make your own. Comment below with any questions you have, and get out there and make your own frames. Make your TV look like a piece of art.